Okay, first off.
Oh wait, this is the hot tub
tutorial. Okay. So what you want to do when you're leaving, packing up after your weekend or week here, is you want to turn down the temperature. It's right here. It has the minus. You want to turn that down to 82, which is the lowest it goes. Or 81. So that's set. And you want to make sure the jets are so it's in this position. The pump is still going, but it's not aerating. So that's
jets are off.
Yeah, the jets are off, but it's still aerating. Or the pump's still on. Okay, so the first thing you do, now this piece of paper basically tells you everything you want to do for regular maintenance. For the regular maintenance, after every time you use the spa, you have to do it every time, but maybe every other time you use it. You take your little measuring thing, and this is bromide concentrate. So you just put a teaspoon in. This is just after every use. Again, it's not every, you don't have to do every use, maybe every other use or every 3 times if you're using a lot. It's just a little bit.
That is called
bromide concentrate.
And you put in
one just teaspoon after every use, just helps to keep
bromide concentrate.
Okay. Now, since we're going and we're just doing it every week, this is what you do for the week: is you add one tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of the bromide.
We just added.
Well, we did the teaspoon. That's what you're supposed to do because I just used it. But if you hadn't used it and you're packing up for the week, and you want to leave the tub, you want to do 1. So I'm going to just right now add 1 tablespoon in addition to the 1 teaspoon I did. So 1 tablespoons are here on this side. There. Concentrate. Okay. Now I think that may be it, or there's one more. If you don't use the spa at all, well, no, you should still do this every weekend. If you don't, then you use the spa stain and scale control.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. That's a liquid. It's this. And it's 1 tablespoon. So you just kind of, because it goes off into the fan.
And that's
so
every week, no matter what.
Yeah, or every time you come up. But that's weekly maintenance. So it's really just a tablespoon of this and a tablespoon of the bromide and concentrate.
And this is what you're doing every time at the end of the weekend.
At the end when you leave. So it's really just 2 things really quick. It takes like a second. Now the other things, I'm not going to do them now, but this is for long term. It's all here. It's like you want to do, like, let's do this now. We'll just check the...
How often do you check the pH?
I would do it every couple of weeks. You can do it every week if you want, but I would just do it every couple of weeks. Dip it in quick, take it out.
Okay.
And then you set it. You may want to give it a couple of minutes. You want to set it and see how it's...
Where do you want the colors to be?
You just line it up this way. It says, see the OK, where it says OK, OK, OK. Those are the good
range.
Good range. So this right now, it's OK for the alkalinity. The pH, it's hard to tell yet.
It's okay.
It's still in the OK range. This is in the OK range. And this is in the OK range. So it's all great. So that's, and if you find, like I found like a couple weeks ago when we were here, that the pH, all the stuff was all off. So I added all this stuff that they did when they set up the spa. 3 tablespoons stain and scale control, 1/4 cups total alkalinity increaser, and you just follow this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this, the floaters, is at level 3, and that's just keep that always set there. And as these disappear, these little there's bromine tablets in here that you fill from the bottom, and they're once they're gone, this will take like 2 months for it to go, and they just go all the way down. There'll be little bits of one, that's fine, but so don't fill it until these are all gone, and you'll just hear it shake in there. So this is good for like 2 months, and let's just float.
We have them.
Yeah,
we have them in the bag.
It's all in there. And we'll have everything in here probably last the winter.
And what do you do when you arrive? Just turn it up and that's
Just
it?
turn it up.
That's all.
The
So
plus
this-
sign
All the chemicals are added when we leave.
when you leave. And again, it's just 2 chemicals that you add when you leave. It's just 2 quick little things, and that's it. So it's actually very easy.
What about water level?
Water level you can always fill by the hose.
Where
And
should it go to?
just right in.
No. Where is there a level on here where the water needs to be?
No, at least they've never told me. It's actually looking a little low. I think we want to bring it up a little bit.
There should be a water level gauge, no?
But there isn't. Not one that I've ever seen or know.
So
I mean, maybe the instructions. The instruction booklet is in here,
we'll look for it in the spa
and you can always read that. And once you put just the regular hard water in, you may have to add chemicals to make the pH balance work.
Okay, and then that's it?
That's it.
All right.